Hi everyone, this is Sonadity Dial. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online free. Yes, totally free. So the website we'll be using for this video is Terawork. So this is the website. On this website, you can list the services you can render. Maybe you can write article, you can do video animation, you can do logo design, you can do graphic design, all skills that you can do and you get paid. You can list on this website. The website is similar to the fiverr.com, but the Teraworks is a Nigeria based and Nigeria owned, and you can list your services and get paid. So what are the features of this Teraworks, and how can you make money free? The sign up is totally free, as you can see. Then after sign up, you create your profile, you describe your skills and the services you can offer. Then you had some short video animation describing the skills, or picture presentations that can describe your services. Maybe is a logo design, you can do short video showing the past logos that you've designed before, or samples of your work. You can do a short video that will show exactly what buyers should expect from you by ordering your gig. Then list your skills and services offering in simple terms on your portfolio. So this is where you describe exactly what the buyers will get from your service. You describe in details, you write a detailed description of what you are going to offer your buyers. Then from time to time you check the notification to see whether you get orders from your buyers. And 6, you check the work stuff or job posts that match your services offering, and you apply for them. Then lastly, once you get any gig, or you get orders from your buyers, you make sure you do it professionally. After executing the gig professionally, you make sure you deliver it on time. Make sure you deliver it more than what your buyers are expecting, and you get paid without any hassle or any edicts on the Teraworks. So this is how you are going to make money online free. It's totally free to register. You can get an account for yourself by clicking on the become a seller link. So I'm going to put the sign up link in the description to this video, so you can get the link and you become a member of Teraworks, and you start making with your skills. Let's see, I'm going to log in so that you see how the website looks like. When you log in, you see some of works that other people are sample gigs. You see, that is my username and the password. Okay, so as email. Okay, and you save this once. Okay, this is the I'm not saving this. This is the logins. These are sample gigs. These are categories, video animation, okay, these are sample gigs. This is somebody offering poetic write-ups for 3,000 naira. You can see somebody offering retouch and editing of videos. I think this will be Photoshop. It's offering for 2000. This is somebody offering responsive and intuitive mobile apps. Is selling for 200,000. Imagine, and he has 4 reviews already. It depends on what can offer. So you see, the potential is very, very huge, and it's totally free to join this website and make money online. So till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye and stay blessed.